Hello friends, hi, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And I also help students preparing for FRM and CFA exam. Now this video is with respect to the changes that have been brought for 2023 FRM Level 2 exam. All the students might have seen those changes also. But what is important over here to understand is that if you look at all the six books, okay, Operation Risk book, there has been a very major change in the sense there are now 24 chapters. Previously there were 27 chapters. They've removed few chapters, and also what they've done is they've rechanged the entire curriculum for Operation Risk. So out of 24, almost 7-8 chapters are repeat or similar, which includes major Basel related chapters, but all the other chapters are new. Okay, so Operation Risk, a major change. Current issues, if you look at the entire curriculum for 2023, the three chapters, machine learning, AI, and climate risk, this is a repeat. Rest everything is a change. It's a new content. Okay. Liquidity risk, no change. Okay. Investment management risk, no change. Market risk, two chapters, one learning objective has been changed. Very small change. Credit risk, I think so. There are 4 to 5 chapters where one learning objective has been updated. There's no change. They've not removed. They've updated the content. Especially the last chapter, understanding securitization process, a case study chapter. Now, how should you prepare when there is a change? And obviously, 2023 books are not out for Kaplan's version, which is going to be coming out by Feb mid. So, how should you prepare? First, go and do liquidity risk. Once you're done with that, move to investment management risk. Once you're done with that, move to market risk, and then move to credit risk, and then focus on operation and the current issues. So why this has been advised? Because the change in curriculum is heavy on operation and current issue side and slightly on the credit risk side. So focus on completing the other three books beforehand with 2022 books, and then primarily go for the FRM, the remaining chapters as the books are available. Credit risk also you can prepare with 2022 books. There's nothing to be worried about. Whatever is the change in the objective, you can just recheck it later, because this will not hamper your preparation. With respect to the operation risk and the current issues, I would request you to wait for 2023 books and then prepare from that chapter, from that new book properly, because that will give you more confidence while you're preparing for the content. Okay, so I hope you like this video and you're getting more information with respect to how to prepare for the exam for FRM level 2. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Do send this video to all your friends who are preparing for the exam. And till then, we'll wait for your reviews and comments also.